How to change the press and hold of your power button for your Galaxy Watch 7. So this is your power button, the one with the little orange highlight here. And usually out of the box, when you long press it, you'll access Bixby and you want to change it to the power off menu. When viewing the clock face, you can swipe down from the top. You'll see settings here. And as you tap on the settings, you will go down until you see buttons and gestures. Once in the buttons and gestures, you'll see home button, which is the top one once again. And you'll see press and hold. And as you go here, you will see Bixby or power off menu. So if I long press this now, it's going to take me straight to this power off menu here. Or if you want the Bixby access, set it to Bixby. And when I long press it, it's going to access the Bixby for me. And it's totally up to you to make this sort of decision here. And once you're done with all this here and you want to change it, you can always come back here and switch it back to what you want it to be, like and sub.